जो भी फॉर्मूला होगा वो डिस्प्रपोर्शनेट रिप्रेजेंटेशन नहीं हो सकता। दैट इज द हायर
94 में है ना जी मिस्टर फैसल, रूल 94 में है ना
जी जी।
अब प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन पे यू आर आउट ऑफ कोर्ट. You are really arguing against yourself, Mr. Faisal Siddiqui. I don't think you realize it. You keep saying that we accept your argument, then you don't have a case.
I think that is my case, sir. But I'm sorry I have not been able to convince your lordship.
But I don't understand. You are saying PTI argues this case. I can understand it.
अब मैं उसी पे मैं आ रहा हूँ. अब मैं आ रहा हूँ क्यों?
चलें, if you want to persist on this line.
SIC का entitlement तो आर्टिकल 51 के मुताबिक.
जी, अब मैं उसी पे
तो है नहीं, पहले वो आप establish करेंगे.
वो है किस तरह? Sir, if your lordship may kindly see, and this is, I go back to the notifications which I had shown to your lordships.
Let me bring your conflict into sharp focus. We accept your argument and we give these seats to PTI.
No, I'm not arguing that. I'm saying
we accept your argument. So you will go get nothing.
No, the seats go to the parties which are in parliament. SIC is in parliament.
अच्छा
जी, that is my argument.
फैसल साहब,
सर मैं जरा कमजोर हूँ आर्गुमेंट में, I'm sorry.
फैसल साहब, speaking for myself,
जी,
this edifice of the Constitution and read as a whole as a text is premised on one fundamental principle, that is self-governance, and the most important is that right of vote.
Yes.
No one is arguing that.
Yes.
Now, people had voted for a particular political party, and I don't know, I had given a written order, and why the commission is shying away from showing its bona fides that it did its best to make conduct the elections fairly, justly, because that is very crucial. And here we have a situation where the major political party for which the actual stakeholders had voted, they were, whether it was mala fide or for whatever reason, were excluded from that political process. It is about the fundamental rights of the people. It's not about political parties. But again, you see, when we come to 51D, you see, it's exclusively the right of the political parties. It does not give any weightage to the independents. It's all about exclusion. Yes, as my lord has correctly stated, there were serious questions raised regarding the elections that were conducted in 2018, and it had raised serious questions on the Election Commission as well. So, are we going to repeat that? Are we just remain silent about it and allow the people to suffer and their fundamental rights be violated? And that is what is not being argued on behalf of those actual stakeholders.
My lord, and that vote is reflected in terms of adopting a system of proportionate representation. If that is not adopted, what will happen is a minority government is converted into a government which has 2/3 majority. That should not happen. That is disproportionate representation. My lord, now to the point of these independents. Now, the learned Attorney General had said that the way these seats are distributed, these leftover seats so-called, is because independents are to be excluded. Where are the independents? Page 5 देखिएगा आप, CMA 5840 of 2024. ये independents कहा जा रहा है. These are not independents. CMA ये इलेक्शन कमीशन की है, 5840 of 2024, page 5.
तो part 1 में ना?
जी सर.
5
page 5 सर, जो इनको फॉर्मुलेशंस हैं.
अभी तो आप इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं है इसमें तो.
नहीं, मैं आपको दिखा वही बात. This is exactly.
You are not independent at present, but at the time when the seats were distributed, you were independent.
No, We were not even independent then. ये आप देखिए पेज 5 पे।
अब पढ़ रहे कौन सा
जी,
वाला?
जो 2 लाइनें ऊपर की छोड़ दें उसके बाद मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ। ये डेट्स दी हुई हैं 15/2/2024, अगर आपके पास सबको मिल गया है, 18/2/2024. This is what the Election Commission says.
Please.
Between this period, independent candidates joined various political parties, including the SIC. अब आगे लफ्ज देखें. In accordance with and within the time period prescribed in the proviso to Article 51(6)(d), 51(6)(e) and 106(3)(c) of the Constitution, read with the proviso to Rule 92(6) of the Election Rule 2007.
ये बताएं फैजल साहब, देखिए जिस शख्स ने
सही
इंडिपेंडेंट ने ज्वाइन किया, जाहिर है आप SIC ज्वाइन किया आपने।
Sir, Election Commission has recognized that we joined in accordance with 51 sub-article 6 para D. How can they then deny us reserve seats?
देखिए साहब,
या तो वो ये स्टांस लेते,
ये बताएं कि अगर कोई कैंडिडेट जिसके डिक्लेरेशन भी एक मखसूस पार्टी से हो और उसी पार्टी के उसके पास एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट भी हो, क्या वो इंडिपेंडेंट होगा या पार्टी कैंडिडेट होगा?
सर इस पे इलेक्शन कमीशन ने
आपसे जवाब पूछ रहा हूं।
सर मेरा अपना व्यू ये है, दिस इज माय इंडिपेंडेंट व्यू, वो इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं होगा।
अगर वो इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं है तो क्या वो किसी पार्टी में जा सकता है?
सर
और अगर जाएगा तो क्या इंडिपेंडेंट के बगैर अगर कोई कैंडिडेट जाता है किसी और पार्टी का, क्या वो उस सीट का हकदार होगा वो पार्टी?
Sir, the point is you have intervening events of the regulator. Unless and until all of that is reversed, this question cannot be answered in the abstraction. Election Commission अगर consistent रहता तो उनकी दिस इज समथिंग विच योर लॉर्डशिप जस्टिस मजहर हैड पॉइंटेड आउट
कर सकते हैं। आप उनको कह देंगे सॉरी हम आपको नहीं लेंगे, यू बिलोंग टू सर्टेन पार्टी। आप रिफ्यूज करते हैं?
नहीं,
आपने कहा कि वेलकम।
नहीं, मैं रिफ्यूज क्यों करूं सर? कोई मेरी पार्टी ज्वाइन कर रहा है, बट इट इज अ पॉइंट विच हैड फंडामेंटली बीन रेज्ड बाय जस्टिस मजहर एट द फर्स्ट डेट ऑफ हियरिंग एट द लीव ग्रांटिंग स्टेज, विच इज द कंसिस्टेंट पोजीशन ऑफ द इलेक्शन कमीशन. इफ इट वांटेड टू, इट शुड हैव सेड नो, यू कैन नॉट ज्वाइन SIC because it has not gained any seats.
चलिए यहाँ पे एक सवाल,
ये consistent position होती कि 59 सब आर्टिकल 6 पैराग्राफ D आप पे अप्लाई नहीं करता।
यहाँ पे एक सवाल और बनता है कि क्या एक कैंडिडेट अगर किसी पार्टी, छोड़ दे सिचुएशन को, किसी पार्टी का एक शख्स दूसरी पार्टी में शामिल होना चाहता है, एक पार्टी के टिकट पे इलेक्ट हुआ लेकिन दूसरी पार्टी में जा रहे, क्या इलेक्शन कमीशन उसको मना कर सकता है? उसके लिए तो 63A बताया गया, the party had may proceed against it, that's all.
63A kicks in after the parliament comes into existence, it's not before that. सर एक पेज इस पे और देख लें इलेक्शन कमीशन की।
सिद्दीकी साहब, आपकी पार्टी को तो बोनस मिल गया ना, आपने इलेक्शन में हिस्सा लिया ना आपने कोई सीट जीती, और 90-95 लोग जो कि जीते हुए थे इलेक्शन उन्होंने आपकी पार्टी को ज्वाइन कर लिया, तो ये तो इट्स अ टाइप ऑफ अ बोनस रिसीव बाय योर पार्टी
thanks to the election commission. If the election commission,
it is not the question of election commission.
Yes,
और ये formulations नहीं है फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब, these are the facts written by the election commission, not the formulations.
No, they
इनके सुन तो लीजिए, इनके formulation शुरू होते हैं पेज 7 से फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब, my dear।
फैसल साहब इसलिए आए कि
अच्छा आप पेज 75 देख लें आप जी।
आपको ये कहना चाहिए कि उस बोनस का फायदा कोई नहीं हुआ।
लेकिन गालिब ने इससे कहा था,
क्या ये दुरुस्त होगा अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपकी आर्ग्यूमेंट से कि the elections were free and fair, everything was normal, and you see there was some insanity in taking this extraordinary course by a major political party for which people had voted?
That is exactly why it was taken, and the record is before your lordship. If your lordship thinks that the election commission has acted justly, fairly and honestly, we have no case before your lordship. My lord, इस पे मैं एक पेज और दिखा दूं, पेज 75 देख लीजिएगा इसी समय में, and I am on my last point after this.
अगर हम ये कहें कि जी for the sake of arguments, अगर हम ये कहें कि इलेक्शन कमीशन ने गलत किया, then you have a case.
Sir, then your lordship has to reverse everything.
Again,
that is up to your lordship.
No case.
No, that is up to your lordship. But वो जो order है of allowing the joining of independents SIC, my lord. How was that order passed? क्योंकि ये सवाल उठा था कि वो नोटिफिकेशन किस प्रोविजन के अंडर, वो मैं आपको प्रोविजन दिखाऊंगा. पहले पेज 75 मैं लिखवा दूं आपको. Page 75 of this same CMA. 75 onwards आप देखेंगे इलेक्शन कमीशन ने पूरा रिकॉर्ड दिया हुआ है on what day independents have joined SIC. It's not simply a fact. I will show to your lordships that it's not simply a fact. It's a recognition by the election commission that the independents have now become a part of the SIC. 75 onwards आप देख लीजिए. Now I come to under what provision